Alright, starting to tear down the woofer and see if we can get it all apart, see what it looks like, see how bad it really is, and see if she can be rebuilt. Take off the ring. Throw that in the corner for now. Now we'll get this off in a second. Alright. Cutting off the outer ring now. Speaking of fucking crazy. Kills me to do this. Alright, I'm going to cut away for a second, and then when I come back, that black lip should be gone. Some crazy glue though on there, it's like tar almost, so I'll show you in a second. Now to get the little last pieces. Alright, outer rim is done, all cleaned up and ground down with the angle grinder, as you guys saw. Now, the middle part, I've never taken apart a subwoofer before, so I really don't know what I'm getting myself into right now. But it's already blown anyway, so I'm just going to take it apart and see what I get myself into. Alright, so see you guys in a minute. Alright, just needed some TLC with the hammer. And then these little tabs. Oh, sorry. Can't focus on that. The two little tabs. It looks like they're soldered on. So I'm going to try to get it out. I'll be back. Alright, that was pretty quick and easy. Got them both out. Oh. I feel like I'm murdering somebody right now. This hurts. Can't believe I'm doing this. Alright, and it's apart. A little burnt, you think? Alright, I'm going to clean it up and we'll be back. Alright, as I was taking it apart, you can see the pieces that actually caught fire. This is all good. This is right where it caught fire, which is right where the wires run off of the speaker wire, right here and onto this. So this is burnt right there, all singed. That's not as bad, that's the bottom layer. Oh, that's where it caught fire. And it was only one of the voice coils that caught fire. Now that I'm taking this all apart, it's actually looking like it's gonna be savable. See the singed part? This side's burnt, that side's not. So I'm gonna clean it up, finish cleaning it up, and I will be back. Alright, screws aren't coming out, so that's gonna be it. Go online, check out the rebuild kit, and that's gonna be it. So I hope that this helped out some people with seeing how they're built, because it definitely helped me out. Sucks that I had to waste all this money to figure it out, but hey, I'm a little bit smarter than I was before. I know how things go together. And just look out for the build when I get the rebuild kit and I start putting it back together. Alright guys, see ya.